Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of updates on threads we click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about the application of threads and you will enter. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. In this page we go to storage. Here we click on clear cache. After that we go to Play Store. You will search about threads. Here you will click on this sign and you will uninstall your app, then you will install it again. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe.